Hello guys, so if you're wondering how you can generate QR code for a location in Google Maps, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly open Google Maps, then just simply choose a location where you want to add the QR code of. Let's say right over here, I want the location of this particular place. Then click on that place, hold a few seconds, then this pin will appear. So now all you have to do is just simply click on share icon over here, then click on copy to clipboard and copy the detail. Now what you can do is just simply go to Play Store and download this particular application, which is QR code generator. Then just simply click on open. Now enter the coordinates over here and remove the dropped in part at the top. Then just simply hit the play icon at the top right and the QR code is generated. Now you can just simply click on the save icon at the top, then give the device access. Then over here you can choose which type of file you want. You can name the file or you can save to multiple locations like your internal storage or gallery. Choose where you want to save, then hit save. But if you want a logo in the center of your QR code, so if that's the case, I'm going to show you another way. So for that way, what you have to do is just simply go to Google and just simply search for a website called MEQR. So after you open this particular website, click on link URL. Then over here, just simply click on put your link here, paste the link that you copied from Google Maps, and again in the beginning remove drop pin and the entire HTTP. Now click on customize and download keyword. Now this is the keyword that you currently have, so click on it to preview. So as you can see right over here, this is the preview. Now let's change some things. So if you want to add some text or you want to add some frames, you can do that by clicking over here like this. As you can see, it is currently changing in the preview section as well. But what we are looking for is a logo. So scroll down and you will find a logo option over here. So as you can see, you don't have a Google Maps logo. So what you can do is just simply download a logo from online, and after that just simply click on upload photo or upload image. Then go to your gallery or wherever you have saved your logo. Choose that logo, then click on that logo, and then if you click on the preview, you will be able to see that as well. So this is currently what the QR code looks like. You want to decrease and increase the size of the logo as well, just like that. Then in the end, just simply click on download QR code. Now you can choose SVG or PNG, it's totally up to you. Or if you want to reset the entire setting, you can do that as well by clicking on reset setting, because I don't want the borders. So click on reset settings. Then I will just simply add the Google logo, just like that. Increase the size to max. And as you can see the preview over here. So click on download QR code, wait for a few seconds, and the QR code is now downloaded. So click on open, then you can save this from over here, or you can just simply take a screenshot and send it to whoever you want to send it. That's simple. Now anyone who will scan this QR code will be able to come to your location or will be able to go to that particular location. Now let me show you. So now if I go to gallery, you will be able to find the QR code over here. As you can see, it's right over here. So that's it. That's how you can generate a QR code from Google Maps. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.